Welcome friends. In this next tutorial, I want to show you how you can remove the background of this image. So I've just opened to an image here. So I want this lady's image to be on a white background. So how do I do that? So first I'm going to do this with Macromedia Fireworks. So I'll open to my Macromedia Fireworks. Then I'll click on firewall settings. So it's telling me the width is 1020 by 1080, resolution 78. That's fine. Then let it be on a white environment. I'll accept that. If I wanted it on a blue environment, I will click this. Then I will now go to custom. Then I'll now select maybe a blue color, and this is what I'll have. So you can choose any color that you want for your project. So this is my environment. So I'm going to import that picture in. So I'm going to, the picture is 40.png. This is the picture. Let's expand it a little. So this is the picture that I want to have a white background on. So I can crop out other areas that I don't want. So I will just click that and click OK, press enter. So I use the crop tool to do that. So next, I have tools here that can help me to remove this background. One of them is the magic wand. But you notice if I click on magic wand and I click the area that I don't want, you see it cuts inside her part of our body. So if I press delete, for example, so it takes off her clothes. So that's not a very good tool for me to use. So I'll undo delete. But there's another tool here which is called the lasso tool. Now you have to click down here. If you click down here, so let me do this. If you click down here, you see that you have lasso tool, then we have polygon lasso tool. So it's the polygon lasso tool that I want to use because it will enable me to trace around the outline of our body. And from the starting point, that is, I will start from a certain point, go around the area that I want, then end it at the beginning point, then press delete to remove what I don't want. So I'll pick that. So let's watch what happens. So I'm going to start from here. So I'll click here. The system is drawing line for me. So at this point, just be clicking. I'm clicking the outline of our body now. Just be clicking around our body texture, the outline of our body. So this is easier with mouse. Just click around the circumference of our body. So this can also be done by taking this picture online, but sometimes you may not have internet access. You may not have internet access. So if you calm down and do this, you can get this done within 5 to 10 minutes. You can get this done within 5 to 10 minutes. So if you take a passport, you can merge that picture on any environment that you want. So let's assume I'm taking the whole of this. So I can go round. All these ones are the areas that I don't want. So I'm returning back to the beginning point. Immediately you get to the beginning point, the system will indicate that you are at the beginning point and it will bring out a small box. So there's a box indicating now that we are at the starting point. So I'll just click. So once you click, you can see the area now is sensitive, it's being highlighted, and I will just press delete. So once I press delete and press escape, so this is what I have. Beautiful picture. The woman picture is now on the white environment that I was going for. Then of course I can smoothen this by clicking on my razor tool. Let's see, that should help us remove all these other things, area that I don't need. So that gives us a good job. So we've gotten the woman picture. Sorry, I went in a little, so we can undo that. Then I want to clean this dot there, just at the top there. Again, just at the top, there's a small dot I want to remove there. I think that's So that gives me what I've been looking for. So I'll clean this up again. So that's it. So that's how you get that picture on the white environment. So the same thing too can be done for other environment. That's how you can do it using the, so now I can export this to my desktop, click file, export to desktop, and I will click on pick on white. Pick on white. That's done. So if I come around here and open it on, I send it to the desktop. And where did I put it? Type pick on white. Let's refresh this. Pick on white. So this comes on. So I will now have my new picture in a white environment. So this looks very nice. So that's how it's done. So if you're a bit careful, you can do a better job than this. So that's how to get this done with Macromedia Fireworks. So I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing with CorelDRAW.